PAX Gold is projected to ease down 1.8% tomorrow, coin data flow shows. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. At this point, PAX Gold has seen a 0.8% drop today and is priced close to $5,033. Now, let's explore the forecast section. The asset could slide to $4,942.13 by March 15, coin data flow suggests, marking a reduction of 1.8%. 30 rates projects PAX Gold to move downward toward $4,968, a projected loss close to 1.3%. According to digital coin price, it may edge lower toward $4,991.08, an estimated loss near 0.8%. A separate projection by CoinCodex highlights PAX Gold could fall to $5,018.31, an expected decrease of approximately 0.3%. And finally, Traders Union sees a target of $5,141.03 by tomorrow. That's 2.1% above the current level. This stands as the most profitable forecast we've reviewed. Those are the expert forecasts. Let's turn the page. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a drop of 1.8% to a rise of 2.1%. That means Traders Union is set to achieve the highest return with 2.1% rise in value by March 15. So it turns out you could make between $3 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 74.2% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. According to consensus, PAX Gold is expected to hold near $5,012.11. Here's how it breaks down. Consensus numbers show a 0.4% move down by tomorrow. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.4% if the scenario holds. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $4 in this case. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for PAX Gold is estimated near 73.2%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. A drop is expected by coin data flow, reinforcing the downside view. Additionally, 30 rates highlights building pressure to the downside. Digital coin price expects the market to keep trending upward. A flat trend is suggested by CoinCodex. Traders Union expects strength on the upside. Bringing forecasts together, the consensus points to PAX Gold trading without big swings. In short, most analysts see PAX Gold following a downward path. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were released. Let's see how they stacked up yesterday. As a result, the actual price settled around $5,027.90. Yesterday's results showed that only a few forecasts were right about the trend. The latest forecast was produced by CoinCodex. Time to unpack the outcome. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. Regarding ROI, several forecasts showed positive returns, and the best result hit 2.9%. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. As seen in today's data, crypto predictions delivered -2.9% ROI and $240.65 accuracy. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for PAX Gold and the others. Fetch shows the strongest forecast at 4% and PAX Gold ranks below. This comparison features PAX Gold with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis, including full analyst performance data, will soon be available on my site and Telegram. We're done for today, friends. If this breakdown made things clearer, show some love with a like. Till next time.